We're all walking around with our smartphones, so if you're walking around your yard, if you're walking around your campus, anywhere you might be, there's nature around you. I am Dr. John Friel from the Alabama Museum of Natural History, and I'm out here today in the UA campus showing you how to use iNaturalist so you can actually help participate in this year's Marble Bowl. This is a competition between fans of the University of Alabama and Auburn University to compete in nature observation. So it's kind of a take on the Iron Bowl rivalry, but in this case we're encouraging people to go out and collect nature observations. And whoever collects the most nature observations, the most unique observations of species, will win the title this year.
I got it from here.
I'm out here today with Rebecca Johnson, UA Museum's communications specialist, walking on the campus looking for some nature observations we can make. And we just came along an observation we're going to make here of this particular spider, just behind some dormitories on the UA campus. So iNaturalist is a platform. You can go to iNaturalist.org, sign up for a free account. And you can also download a free app either to your iPhone or to your Android device. Once you have an account and application you can use on your smart device, you can start making observations. And I'm going to show you how to make an observation today. I also encourage you need to join one of the projects, so we'll include a link to the main Marble Bowl site, but you need to sign up for the site in order to be participating. And once you do and have your iNaturalist account set up, when you take an observation, it will automatically be added and counted towards Alabama's competition in the Marble Bowl. So I've already got iNaturalist installed on my iPhone, so I'm going to pull up the device and make an observation. So I'm going to hit the observe button and I'm going to pull up my camera and I'm going to take a photo of this spider. You can take up to 4 photographs to submit for an observation. And then once I've got these photos, I can use this photo. I'm going to see what did I see. It knows that it's an orb web weaver. I actually know this is a golden silk spider, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. It's one of the top 3 suggestions that iNaturalist made for me. So now I've identified it. Because I took it with my phone, it already geotagged it with the location on the University of Alabama campus, a date. I'm going to leave my geo-privacy open. This is not private property, so I'm not worried about anyone going on here and trespassing. And then all I have to do is press share. And it's uploaded. Others can come in now and confirm that identification if possible. If they do, it'll become a research-grade observation, which means that 2/3 of the people that have looked at it agree that it's identified properly. And that will be something that can then be shared with other biodiversity sites like GBIF. So that's all it takes to do it. It's pretty simple. I mean, it may seem intimidating at first, but it's actually incredibly simple. And we're all walking around with our smartphones. So if you're walking around your yard, if you're walking around your campus, anywhere you might be, there's nature around you. So you can now stop, take out your phone, and take a picture of that plant or animal that you always wonder, well, what is that? And in the process, help us beat Auburn. It started with the kickoff of football season and will end on November 27th, the day of the Iron Bowl. So get out there, take your smart device, join iNaturalist, and help us beat Auburn University in this year's Marble Bowl.